Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. We're taking a look at Surfroam, found at surfroam.com. Surfroam offers a global data eSIM card aimed at digital nomads, frequent travelers, and anyone who needs reliable internet access on the go, no matter their location. The service promises a hassle-free experience, eliminating the need for local eSIM cards and expensive roaming charges. Their website boasts extensive coverage in numerous countries, allowing you to stay connected virtually anywhere your travels take you. Surfroam emphasizes a streamlined setup process, with a plug-and-play eSIM card that should work right out of the box. They also highlight a range of data plans designed to accommodate various usage needs and budgets, from occasional browsing to heavy data consumption. It's worth noting that the actual performance and coverage can vary depending on factors like local network infrastructure and your specific device. User reviews online seem to be generally positive, praising the convenience and affordability of the service, especially for extended trips. However, some users have reported occasional connectivity issues in certain areas. So, research and compare your options before committing to any long-term plan. Potential customers can find detailed information on pricing, coverage maps, and compatible devices on the Surfroam website. They also offer customer support to assist with any questions or technical difficulties. Overall, Surfroam appears to be a compelling option for travelers seeking a convenient and potentially cost-effective solution for staying connected while abroad. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions, as well as user reviews, to make an informed decision about whether Surfroam is the right choice for you. For more tips and tricks on staying connected while traveling, be sure to check out the rest of our videos here on Roam Tips.